Don't eat romaine lettuce. So I received a bunch of text messages from people that love me about not buying any lettuce that was recalled. By the way, I'm eating some almonds. And for the record, don't just eat out the jar. Do it like that. Nice little serving size. Okay. Romaine lettuce has been recalled. You can still eat spinach. You can eat Swiss chard. You can eat watercress. You can eat kale, bok choy, the tops of carrots. You can eat green leaf lettuce, red leaf lettuce. If you think that's too close to romaine lettuce, then there's Chinese cabbage. There's mustard greens, turnip greens, collard greens. You can stop walking on the wild plantain leaves that are outside, known as wild edibles, sometimes called weeds, the dandelions. There's arugula. Basil is so big, sometimes you could eat basil as a salad. Tastes really good, by the way. Then you have the little microgreens. Then you got the greens off the top of the beet. You could even play with endives and use it as a taco shell. Knowledge will save you. So I just want to share that with you today, beauties. Thank you for tuning in to Inward Beauty, where we remind beauties everywhere of how beauty starts within.